Hello there, welcome to JAZDraft Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert or add an image in your Excel worksheet. So in order to add an image in your worksheet, is you go to the Insert, and under Insert, go to Picture. I have this on this file directory, my logo JAZDraft Studio. Then click and Insert. So as you can see, it pastes it there. Wherever the selected cell, it will be pasted there. And you can resize it. Click this the bottom part here and drag it there. Okay. Let's make the header bigger. Resize this one. So this is the logo that I want to be here. Let me see if I print it. Right. File, print, and the logo is there. You can also drag or put the logo in anywhere or more images that you can add. For this, I just added one image. So let me freeze it here. If it freezes also the image, so it freezes also the image or the logo. So that's how you add image or photo in your Excel worksheet. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.